How's it going, everybody? My name's Dustin. You've been watching me make this plane on the screen here for my upcoming game. So why not just run in and see what it looks like? I threw it in the scene quickly. I added the little jaggy parts just to make it look more vicious and, you know, give it a cooler factor, because it was kind of just cutesy and it needed a little bit more oomph. I really like how it turned out. I need to add a cockpit and change the front to be actually see-through. But aside from that, I'm actually really happy with everything. It took me a long time to make this, which it shouldn't have because it's such a simple model. I'm kind of mad at myself for that. But regardless, so I put one in the sky here just to see what it would look like, nice and high up there. And since this is a Unity game, it's possible to do multiplayer, but I don't know if I'll add that. Maybe once the whole game's done I can add it in the future, but I want to get the base game done as a single player game. So a single player RPG with maybe even JRPG elements in it. There's a beautiful plane in the sky. There's more planes here. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially tell me what you guys want me to add, because that's what this whole channel is about, right? You guys say what you want in a game, and I'm going to make it and put it in a game. So take care, everybody.